Hi everyone, in this video, I will do a review about this Forex trading journal and trading dashboard. This trading journal is designed not only for traders to record and keep track of their trading data, but also allow them to benchmark their trading performance against any index or stock, as well as set their own target and monitor their progress towards the target. Let me show you an example of how to use this trading journal. First of all, you need to go to trading dashboard page to set your initial funding date and your account starting capital. Next, you need to define your own minimum risk to reward ratio. I recommend at least 1.5 to 2, which means you risk 1 every time to make 1.5 or 2 in the trade. Then you also need to define your maximum risk percentage per trade. It is advised not to risk more than 5% of your total net liquidation per trade to avoid blowing out your trading account after a few losing streak. You also can put some motivational quote here to motivate yourself every time when you open this trading journal. Next is to set your benchmark ticker. You can type in any index or stock for benchmark against your trading performance based on the same time period of time. For example, now I'm using the SPY as a benchmark. I may also change to AAPL for this benchmark purpose, and as you see here, the graph will change according to the ticker. This is to motivate you to perform better in trading by comparing with any index or stock. Next is to set your balance target and your target profit and monitor it through the progress chart here. So when you change the target profit, it will show up here as well. The progress will change. So now let me give you an example of how to input data in the trading journal. So first, you need to enter the trade number. That is your entry date and time. For example, 10th of March 2022, 6 p.m. The direction, the lot size. So how to determine the lot size when you're trading? You can use the calculator here to help you. Go to the calculator tab here. You just need to key in the percentage risk per trade here. Select the currency pair from the drop down list, and it will show you the peak value and the maximum amount of money you will risk per trade. Then enter your entry price and your exit price. It will show you the number of lot to purchase. So back to trading journal. So after that, you need to input your leverage and select the currency. Then select the strategy from the drop down list. Before you select the strategy, you need to fill out here your strategy name and your description here in order to use the drop down list here. So choose from the strategy here and then enter your time frame. If you trade on 15-minute time frame, you just enter M15. Your entry price, just for an example, 2020. Your stop loss, let's say 200,000. Your take profit is 2080. The cell in dark blue contains formula, so do not edit it. Here it shows you 1 hour distance, peak value, required margin, position size, maximum profit, maximum loss, risk percentage per trade. It will show green flag as long as risk percentage per trade is within the value you set, and your risk to reward ratio. If it is below what you set before it, it will show a caution sign here. When the trade is open on the dashboard, it will show up here. Here it will show all the open trade here. so that you can monitor it easily. After you close the trade, you just need to enter the details here, such as exit date, time and exit price, and commission or the fee, and it will show you your total profit and loss, your cumulative P&L, win or loss status, percentage gain or loss, and your drawdown. If you go back to the dashboard, you will see all the trading statistics here, such as your ending balance, total profit and loss. Here the little number here is showing the last trade profit and loss, your winning rate, your total return, your total R multiple. Here the small one here is showing the last trade R multiple, your expectancy per trade, your average P&L per day, average win, average loss, average time in trade, average profit and loss when you long, go for long, average P&L when you short, a number of long trade versus the short trade, total P&L when you long, total P&L when you short, maximum drawdown, largest win, largest loss, maximum consecutive win, maximum consecutive lose. So on the chart here, it will show you the performance by strategy, which strategy is performing well, and by currency pair, which currency pair you are making the most money from, and by R multiple by currency pair, profit and loss by month, let you see every month performance, and then also the by R multiple. I hope you enjoyed this video and like this trading journal. If you are interested in this trading journal, please check the link below for more info. Thanks for watching.